two ministers.
Ki Pulit ka East Khasi Hills ka Ithuh ia lai pu Ngut ki breu ki bala ban Pynmih Jingkulmar na ka benta ka jingyat bet yat renti ka Ilekshon sya ka yeng dorbar thau an ha soyong. Chief Electoral Officer uba FR Kharkongor uloong bakini ki lai pu Ngut ki nong Jingkulmar snong ki la syak te hapo ka kendon iway not nyo. Susu ula pentip balabu santeli ki perton CAPF ban pahara ha ka jaka ban long ke Ilekshon. Ula pentip ru balabu ia lai teli ki nakas hakikat tu kat ni teli ki jaka bakongsan da ki flying squad. Haki jaka rung sya soyong. Uba Kharkongor loong ru babaro ki dikot kentei ka flying squad labu yaki ha jan mau maram. La pia ya ka soyong constituency hakin riu teli ki sector but ar teli ki zone.
Known to be troublemakers. So this is the police has done the assessment and they've identified these known troublemongers. So they are bound under section 107. So they have to appear before the police station every day to intimate about the whereabouts and to intimate about their activities. So these measures have already been taken. So in fact, initially 3 CAPF companies were already deployed and another 2 came subsequently on 28th. So now the full force of 5 CAPF are already there in the constituency, in the district, to ensure that polling goes on smoothly and peacefully.